No, it's not. Just happen to know he's in this area. There he is, he's up there.
I stole these things for you. Cowards. Just take them. Bunch of pathetic morons.
Get out of here, Genojo.
I ripped this bounty from the jaws of dragons.
You're going to get us all killed.
Clearly he's...
No thieves like you.
Clearly the stuff that he commandeered isn't going down well.
Couldn't stay away from me, could you?
Shut up! All of Yamashiro can hear you.
Want a shiny new katana? I stole it from a fat samurai in Kyoto.
No.
Ah, then you're here for another type of sword?
Woo! I was interested in this